Do you know which plants can make your home healthier? Indoor plants aren't just about aesthetics. They play a crucial role in creating a healthier home environment. In a world where we spend most of our time indoors, it's more relevant than ever to ensure that our homes are not just comfortable, but also conducive to our well-being. From improving air quality to boosting mood, the benefits are numerous. So, are you ready to embrace the green? Let's dive into the world of plants that can transform your home into a healthier living space. Meet aloe vera, a plant known for its healing properties. This sun-loving succulent doesn't just brighten up your living space, it also purifies the air, absorbing harmful pollutants and releasing fresh oxygen. But that's not all, folks. Aloe vera is a medicinal powerhouse, offering relief for burns, skin irritations, and even aiding digestion when consumed. This humble plant doesn't ask for much, just a sunny spot and a little care. But in return, it gives so much. Aloe vera certainly brings a touch of green and a whole lot of health to your home. Next, we have the snake plant, a champion of clean air. This humble houseplant is a silent guardian, working around the clock to improve your indoor air quality. By day, it removes toxins from the air. By night, it releases oxygen, a rare trait among plants. Imagine while you're sleeping, the snake plant is awake, diligently purifying the air you breathe, making your home a healthier place. It's a plant that not only adds a touch of green to your interiors, but also actively contributes to your well-being. The snake plant not only looks good, but does good. Welcome the peace lily, a plant that brings beauty and health. This majestic plant is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a guardian of your well-being. The peace lily quietly improves air quality by removing harmful toxins, like benzene and formaldehyde, from your surroundings. But the allure of the peace lily is not only in its health benefits, its easy maintenance makes it a delightful companion for both seasoned gardeners and green thumb beginners. Peace lily, a perfect combination of beauty and health. Say hello to the spider plant, a natural air purifier. This hardy, verdant gem does more than just add a touch of green to your living spaces. It works tirelessly, reducing indoor pollution, specifically formaldehyde and xylene. These are common pollutants that can emanate from everyday household items, such as furniture and carpets. But fear not, our efficient spider plant is here to help, effectively filtering these harmful substances out of your air. So breathe easy, knowing you're in good fronds. The spider plant, a green addition to any indoor space. Introducing the rubber plant, a resilient indoor companion. This plant is more than just a pretty face, it's a silent guardian that works tirelessly to remove toxins from your indoor air. But wait, there's more. The rubber plant is an absolute champ when it comes to low maintenance. It thrives in a variety of light conditions and doesn't require constant watering. So, if you're someone who occasionally forgets about plant care, this is the plant for you. The rubber plant, a sturdy and healthy addition to your home. Next up is the Boston fern, a plant that loves humidity. This green beauty thrives in moist environments, serving as a natural humidifier, adding an extra layer of freshness to your indoor air. But that's not all. The Boston fern also has a soft spot for indirect light, making it a perfect companion for those less sunny corners of your home. So, if you're seeking a plant that brings both beauty and health benefits, look no further. The Boston fern, a beautiful and healthy choice for any home. Finally, meet the English ivy, a unique indoor plant. Remarkably, this verdant vine possesses an impressive ability to reduce airborne mold, making it a breath of fresh air in more ways than one. It thrives best in cooler temperatures, and with a preference for moist soil, it's a plant that loves a little TLC. So, don't be surprised if it becomes your new favorite indoor companion. English ivy, a unique and beneficial addition to your indoor plant collection.